Apple Watch Series 5 Titanium. Hey guys, thank you for watching The Nice Guy and welcome to another unboxing video. It's super crazy this month. Obviously Apple releasing all the new products. This is the Apple Watch Titanium with Anchor Grey Sport Loop Band. So without further ado, without waiting or talking, let's actually go and unbox it. So it's a similar unboxing to the Apple Watch Series 4. The only difference is this is black. I'm just going to lift this up. This is the Anchor Grey Sport Loop. I love this sound. Wow. So it comes with a little protective case. So designed by Apple in California booklet, and you have the grey Sport Loop. This is a normal 5-watt power bar. This is the inductive charging for the watch edition, and this has the silver ring around the inductive charging, whereas the normal watch series come with a white inductive charging. And the main event, so if we pull this out, so this is the 40mm. It looks really nice. So on the front of the watch you have this sticker where on there it says Apple Inc. 1 Apple Parkway, Cupertino, California 95014 USA. A lot of people around me, people I know, people through email ask me if they should upgrade to a new watch every year, and to be honest, the answer would be no. In this case it's slightly different. That's because this watch has a always on display. Current watch that I have, which is an Apple Watch Series 4, when you lift your wrist it comes on. As soon as you move your wrist it goes off, and that is not the case with these Apple Watches. This one stays on, it just dims out, and then when you lift it it will brighten up, which is really good if you're working out, if you're running, if you want the watch to look a bit more realistic where the watch face is always on, then this watch is for you. I don't agree with paying £700, £800, or for example £1,500 for the ceramic one, because those Apple Watch do nothing more than the one that they sell for £369. I guess, yeah, around that much. So it doesn't make sense to pay that much money for something that does the same as £369 or whatever the new price is. I haven't checked. If you've not got an Apple Watch, go and buy this Apple Watch. You're gonna enjoy it. And if you got an Apple Watch Series 4, then don't upgrade unless you actually are a very active person and want the always on display. Then this watch is for you. Other than that, please don't go and just buy a new watch because it's a new watch, unless you want to, of course. Other than that, it doesn't really have significant amount of improvement from the previous gen. You get a compass app, you get the always on display, so when you're using maps, for example, it will point you in the right direction, whereas the current Apple Watch doesn't. You kind of have to figure out which way you're facing. So there's not a big difference. So don't go and spend £800 on a titanium Apple Watch or £1,500 on a ceramic white watch. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Make sure to hit the like button, share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
I am what I say, you're psycho.